Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Barclays app error code RP156. So let's get started. The first solution you can try is by restarting your network. So just turn on and off your Wi-Fi or your mobile data once and see if it works. The second solution you can try is by making sure you're running the latest version of the app. To do that, open up the App Store and now search for Barclay. And if you see this update button on the right hand side, that means your app isn't updated. Make sure to update it and now check if it works. If it still doesn't work, then you have to try another solution, which is clearing app cache. To do that, open up settings and now click on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. From here, search for the Barclays app and click on it. Once you're on the screen, click on the offload app. Now this will clear the cache files and now reinstall button will pop up. Now click on reinstall and check if your app works. If it still doesn't work, then you have to try the last solution, which is completely reinstalling the app. To do that, click on the delete app button at the bottom and then go back to the app store and download the Barclays app one more time. And now this should completely fix your issue. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.